that awesome?
That is incredible.
There you go.
Guys.
All right, let's go do this. Carrie on behalf of Boundary Ford, Lloydminster Rescue Squad, and 1061 The Goat. Merry Christmas.
This is the day we were all waiting for. You know, this is fantastic. You know, to be able to wake up early in the morning and be able to surprise someone and realize the difference you're going to make in somebody's life who really needs it, and to be able to give back, to come together as a team. We're just happy that we could be part of it, and we want to continue giving back to our community, because without our community, we're not here. And you know, it's the right thing to do. It's Christmas.